This is Catherine Magaña with your Savvy Minute. Today I'll give you another easy way tip for you to get savvy about your finances. Today's tip will cover how to survive market volatility. The stock market movement is nothing new. One of the best ways to beat market volatility is through diversification. The more you understand your overall asset allocation and the purpose of your investments, the more confident you should feel when the stock market moves. I would suggest you consider a financial plan to help you determine your short and long-term goals. And remember, stay calm, don't panic, and stay the course when the entire stock market is down. It's important to make sure you have an emergency fund set aside so you don't have to worry about a personal financial dilemma, such as a loss of job, illness, or major expenses. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months of cash set aside to cover your monthly expenses. Join us each week for the Savvy Minute. You can find more of our videos at savvyup.tv, that's savvyup.tv, or give us a call at 760-692-5700 for your free 30-minute financial assessment today. And remember, Savvy Up.